J2 Engineering. What's up, guys? So I got myself some lug nuts. I'm putting these ones. I got these ones on eBay. If you can see them. So we got this one that came with the box, this extension, and we're gonna use a 22 millimeter. See that 22 millimeter? That's what we're gonna use. And I got my torque wrench right here, so we'll use this one. Start taking that out. So it's only 80 pounds of torque. You don't want to break them. This is how they look before I changed the lug nuts to now. Pretty clean. I like them. That's all you need. That's it. That's 80 pounds of torque. If you see this one, I have two. I bought another one because this one has more of the foot-pounds torques than the other one. This one has less. This one goes all the way to 150 pounds of torque, and this one only goes all the way to 75. Doesn't even go all the way to 80. And I don't know if you can see there. It's actually hard to see because of the chrome, but you see the numbers there. Easy to do, simple, easy.